It's the night before a final exam worth 90% of your grade. Do you A, chug as much caffeine as possible to give your brain a jolt? B, read and reread as many chapters of the textbook as you can? Or C, try to make sense of a semester's worth of notes?
Oh,
let me think.
I don't know. I don't know. What if I told you the best answer was none of the above? And what if I told you the cheat code to getting better grades actually involves studying less? Hi, I'm Faith from Sleep Foundation. As you might imagine, college students already are chronically underslept.
Oh, so tired.
Always tired, balancing work and school.
For me, I feel like I'm like a walking corpse.
Because the stress builds up, and I think that affects my sleep.
If it's like a battle between school and sleep, school's gonna win out.
In one study from 2017, researchers found that 60% of students met the clinical criteria for poor sleep, and nearly 1 in 10 met the criteria for insomnia.
I am a straight A student in school and an F student when it comes to sleep habits.
I would grade myself probably like a C+.
Maybe closer to like a C-.
I would give myself a D.
Probably like an F, probably like, 59%.
To top it off, because of the pandemic, more students are taking classes online, exposing them to additional sleep-destroying blue light. And obviously, you're still on your phones, so that hasn't changed.
So I'm not good with the phone and like trying to like decompress.
Sometimes I scroll through Instagram or like go on my phone.
I usually end up just being on my phone till I'm too tired.
My sleep routine before going to sleep is, going on, browsing my phone, which is not good,
I've noticed like when I have my screen right next to me watching Family Guy all night, like it's gonna be harder for me to go to sleep.
Not looking at screens like 2 hours before bed, that's not really a possibility being an online student.
It's hard because like all of your schoolwork is on like devices now.
Research consistently shows that sleep is vital to academic performance. In fact, pulling an all-nighter before an exam has the same effect as taking the test with a blood alcohol level of 0.05%. But oftentimes during finals week, we prioritize extra studying over extra sleep.
Finals week is a nightmare. I would say that I get maybe 3 to 4 hours of sleep a night.
I was very tired. I didn't sleep.
My last finals week, there was 2 nights where I didn't even sleep at all.
If I take 2 less hours of sleep and then I do, study a little bit more of this, I think I'll be fine.
To understand why sleep deprivation can negatively impact grades, it's helpful to understand how sleep works. Research indicates that sleep does more than allow the brain to rest. It also helps a person absorb what they learned while they were awake through a process that is specifically centered on learning. So during finals week, that extra time spent studying may actually lead you to remembering less than if you had spent that time sleeping.
I was just cramming. I'm a night owl, might as well. I have insomnia. Still failed that test.
When I don't sleep enough, my study habits are horrible.
I feel like you're not really able to retain information as well. You're not gonna be able to focus.
Sleep deprivation can make you very cranky.
Nervous, scared, and hungry.
You'll hate yourself.
I did not feel great at the end of the week. I felt like crap.
So, yeah, better sleep equals better grades. Easier said than done, right? So here are 3 sleep hacks we recommend to help you get better sleep during finals week. First, turn your study break into nap time. Research shows that even a brief nap after a study session can help you retain 11% more information. In order to get the most benefit of a brain-boosting nap in the least amount of time, we recommend sleeping for exactly 6 minutes. Next, try a power walk. Daily exercise has consistently shown to improve sleep quality. Since you're short on time during finals, make the most of your power walk by doing it right after waking up and as you make your way to classes. This will give you an extra energy boost while helping to realign your circadian rhythms and improve your sleep. Finally, ditch the extra caffeine. You might feel like you really need that Red Bull at 9 p.m. to help give your brain the energy it needs to study. But you are doing way more harm than good. Remember, sleep is your superpower. You can do anything when you're well rested.
I think I would probably be a different person if I slept 8 hours every day.
If I actually get a full 8 hours of sleep, I actually feel like pretty fantastic in the mornings.
I love sleep a lot.
I think about my sleep every day. It's really important to me.
I wish I had a much better sleep schedule, but unfortunately, yeah, like I said, old habits die hard.
Honestly, I need a lot of sleep.
I would say no less than 7 hours of sleep is kind of where I need to land in order to be functional the next day. Which I think really goes to say that I'm not a functional human being the majority of the time.
So next time your finals week comes around, remember that the best way to ace those finals is to sleep through them. Wait, that's not what I meant, but you know what I mean. That's it for this one, everyone. Thanks for watching. Good luck on those exams.